Hello, this is Cybergiant. Today I will talk about how to recycle your bottles, cans, cell phone, laptops, ink cartridges, CD, books, and video games, or also sell them. For the CD, books, and video games, how to make some extra cash. Okay, first thing is Earth 911, which is a eco tech company. They recycle like glass bottles and they give you like a lot of information on how to buy them, sell them, and where to recycle. It'll tell like how much you can get for the glass bottles and aluminum cans. They're usually about 5 to 10 cents. They say if you don't have a container, they have a bottle build toolkit, tips on how to receive one. Okay, for electronic waste, something they can reuse. So for like if you have some old used cell phones, laptops, they have companies like Green Buyback, Gazelle, and Your Renew. They'll buy it at a reduced price. Most of these types are offering the option to put your recycle electronic bucks toward the charity of your choice. That's for some of them. You can donate them, and they'll turn it into cash. Let's go to Green Buyback. Let's see how you sell your cell phone. First, you get a quote, print a label, and get paid. They do from iPhones, iPad, laptop, headphones, smartwatches, wearable technology, game consoles, iPods, cell phone, tablets, video cameras, custom quotes, maybe specialized products, and home automation. They have a 5-star rating. They wipe all your data so it'll be set back to factory standards. SD cards, everything will be sell a phone if data cannot be deleted. So, okay, so your cell phone, tablet, let's see how they, okay, hit the get start button. Yeah, let's say it's a laptop. Then you figure out what type of laptops. It's like a lot of Apple. If you don't see your device, it's not Apple. So you provide your name, email, what's the manufacturer name of your item, fabric condition. They'll help us give you an accurate quote. So let's try one of the other ones. Okay, Mac 15-inch MacBook Pro. Quantities 1, choose the condition, good, and the year 2016. So they gave you a quote of $550, which the laptop usually costs about 1,000. So you get about 55% of your money back, which is good. Okay, let's check what else. You'll get a $2 store credit, or pretty much if they have a reward program, you'll get like cash. So for your ink cartridges and printer, you recycle them at Staples, Best Buy, Office Depot. So far, these are the only places you have to go in a physical store. And then I know if you recycle ink cartridges, Staples has a requirement that you must buy at least like a purchase of some ink cartridges, about 75 up to $75 or less. Same thing for Office Depot. They have some type of, but their minimum is a little bit different. So they just require you to buy office supplies, not just ink cartridges. So you'll get a discount. And for each ink recycle, they'll take about a penny off your bill. Like I say, you buy something for $10 and you recycle 10, you take 10 cents off them. So it'll be about $9.90. For Best Buy, you get a store credit to buy it. They sometimes have a limit. Staples has a limit of like 20 you can recycle. Office Depot has about 20, but now Staples has changed it to 10. You can only recycle 10 at a time. So I mean, you can do 10 today, 10 some other day. And Best Buy doesn't have a specific requirement as of now. And some when you recycle like computers, cell phones, some don't pay you because they say they'll recycle it for you for free. You just need to pay a fee for pickup, a pickup fee. Okay, how to sell your book, CD, and DVD. If they're all good condition, that's fine. You can sell them on Declutter. Go to the website, show you how the system works. Okay, while it's loading, I'll talk about the selling service. You can swap service. You can swap books or CDs at paperback, and it'll give you like a store credit they can use to order books on their website, which has over 1,000 different books, CDs you can buy. Hey, so your DVD, video games, books. Okay, all you gotta do is, and all you need is the barcode, and then they also can do tech. Just enter your item, instant price. Okay, it's example is iPhone 7. Okay, iPhone 6. Then it said what was the carrier you just collect. Each carrier I think give you, yeah, each carrier give you different. If you have Verizon, $34, and then you select the condition. If it's faulty, that means not good condition, $6. Poor condition, $20. $34. So if you spend like $1,000 for the phone, you get some money back, which is good. At least it's like with about. Then they say you can get 10% extra cash just for you. Just sign up for their weekly subscription, and when you make your first trade in, you can trade in to buy products. And if you sell your technologies through them, they'll give you a label for free. You just get a box and then put it in, and then you receive a check in the mail or by PayPal, and it's approved by the Better Business Bureau, so it's 100% legit. Okay, so if you want to sell used clothes, they have a lot of online outlets for selling secondhand clothes. There's one is Buffalo Exchange. They have location all over country. You just gotta see if it's available in your state, and they'll give you cash or store credit toward the new outfit. They also sell new clothes and they sell used clothes. And they have one for turning like your products that usually would just how to reduce personal garbage output and make a little extra cash. They're recycling. So what they do is recycle your products, set up the brigades all over the country, collect everything from energy bar wrappers, scotch tape rolls, and turn them in for cash. See how that works. I give so they use all the recycled products so it can be used for sustainable. So help the environment, reduce landfills. It's a free recycling program. It'll help you reduce your planet. It's operating in the United States. They have locations. Oh, and they weigh by the weight. And you get about a penny to the nonprofit or school of your choice. So pretty much like you recycle it, it'll be donated and you choose like if you want to donate to a school or nonprofit organization. So if you want to it turned into cash but it's used for donation. That's one part. There's one that pays you cash or check. Cycle Bank. You recycle anything from cans, bottles, electronics. Okay. See. Turn your points into C. Members can use their recyclable point to get great deals at local businesses, exclusive discount for sustainable products. Okay, get rewards. Must be in there. Oh, your points will be used for like, you can make further purchases for small independent businesses that use recyclable products and coupon discounts. Okay, next one. If you want to find like where to recycle your bottles and cans, you go to Recycle Finder. You can recycle anything pretty much, like appliances, asphalt. Asphalt is used for like soccer fields and football fields. It's not like coal, but it's harmful for the environment. Automobiles, like automobile parts. You just enter your zip code, radius, how many miles, up to 50. Hit the recycle button. You can do bricks, masonry, stone products, cardboard, ceiling tiles, concrete, dirt. You can recycle donations. Hauling services. If you have like, they can do for businesses and electronic waste like electronic, TV, computers, cell phones, tablets, so forth, porcelain, rock. So some for like minerals, tires. You can recycle your trash. So what they do is they take all your trash, you drop off that site, they sort through your trash, so which one is recyclable. Recycle everything that's recyclable, and the trash will still land up in a landfill, but it reduced your trash from like a 5 pounder to maybe like a 2 pounder. 2 pounds of trash will be thrown into the landfill. Well, you save about 80% that would have been trash or recycled back to the earth will be remade. They have a facility in Montgomery County, 20879, Frederick. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everybody so they can earn extra cash to pay for unexpected expenses, or you can donate the money you earn to a reputable nonprofit organization or your school. And comment down below what you think about this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.